With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us try to solve the given problem. So the given problem states a mass m is undergoing SHM in the vertical direction about the mean position y0. So this is y0 mean position and this mass is doing SHM with the amplitude A and the angular frequency omega. The amplitude is simply capital A and its angular frequency is omega. At a distance y from the mean position, the mass detached from the spring. So at some distance y, this mass is detached from the spring. Assume that the spring contracts and doesn't obstructs the motion of mass m. So when the mass is detached, we can assume that the spring doesn't obstruct and the mass continue to move upward, right? Find the distance y. We have to find the distance y measured from the mean position such that the height attained by the block is maximum, right? So let us now try to see what is happening. So you can see here the spring gets detached from this mass when it is at some position y. Now at that position the block must be moving upward with some velocity, let us say v. So now first we need to find v and then we can see that the total height attained by this block, since it has some velocity, so it will continue to move upward, right? With a acceleration g acting downward on this block, it will continue to move upward until its velocity is 0 at some point, right? So now let's take this as v dash so there is no confusion. So first we need to find out h, but before h let's say what is the velocity of this body when it is at height y. So equation of velocity is simply omega times under root a amplitude square minus y square units per seconds, right? So this is the speed. Now what will be the height attained by this mass? So you can see that this has velocity v, so it will attain a total height due to this g. Total height attained by the block will be simply equals to y. So we have to find it this height from the mean position, y plus v square divided by 2g. Why v square divided by 2g? Because this final speed will be 0 and you can apply the equation of motion. So you can simply apply the equation of motion, v dash square is equals to v square minus 2g. Let's say this height is x, right? So you can find the x from here. So v dash is 0, so you can find the x, v square divided by 2g. So this height from here to here due to the velocity is v square upon 2g. So we will add. Now we have to find what is the value of y for which the height attained by the block is maximum, right? Now we have to, for maximum or minimum, we have to differentiate this equation. Let us differentiate dh divided by dy. So first we will put, so we will write like this, so dy. Now let's take this, so let us now put the value of v square. So v square is simply omega square a square minus y square divided by. So you can see I have differentiated this function. Differentiation of y will be simply 1 with respect to y, and this is omega square by 2g is constant, so this will come out. So this a square is constant, so its differentiation will be 0, and minus differentiation of y square will be 2y, right? And we have a minus sign here, so I have put a minus sign here. So this will cancel out, right? So what we are going to get for maximum minima, this has to be equals to 0, so we are going to get 1 minus omega square y divided by g, and from here, so from here we can find out the value of y, and it is simply y equals g divided by omega square. So this will be the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.